Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch LG LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is, as you can see, dark bluish tint purple screen issue. See friends, here you can notice that the RGB is not correct. Here this fault is related with the backlights. To solve this issue we need to replace the backlights. See friends, these are the new backlights. Now let's install it and connect. See friends, these are the new backlights. Now let's install it and connect all sockets one by one. So that's it. Finally, here we connected all sockets. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the picture is crystal clear. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.